All right, back here on John's Bird. Come on, Scotty. I'm trying to do a video here.
What?
I'm trying to shoot video here.
Oh, I didn't.
And you're being like, woo, ooh, ooh, ooh. It's like not even 8 o'clock. Calm it fuck down.
I had it that loud at 6 a.m. when I got here.
Oh, God. I'm glad I'm not living here yet. I mean... Anyway, I'm fueling John's car, putting a little fuel in it. We're playing it safe, because we did run it a while. And, you know, probably burned a lot out. So put some fuel in. Gonna try one more start, and then I'm gonna pull that pump. And I got a hankering, Scotty, that not only is it labeled backwards, but I think it's labeled backwards because you know how they have the valves in it, Scotty? Earth to Scotty.
Yes.
Earth to Scotty. You know how they have the one-way valves in there?
Right.
I'm betting the little Chinese kid that built it in China.
That can't do a double stitch properly. Right.
Put him. Yeah, that same kid. This is his other job.
Gotcha.
He put the valves in backwards, and that's why in is out and out is in.
Yeah, I mean,
but it also, like on the bench when we push on it, it pumps. You know, pretty. You can do it pretty good.
Oh yeah.
But I have a feeling the arm's a different shape, and it's only going like, instead of.
So it's a. Ooh, I can't say that one on camera. I can't.
Dribbly. Okay, we're not gonna go there.
Yeah.
Anyway, all right. That should have a couple gallons in it now. Hey, Scotty, do me a favor. Can you pull out the can? Hey, dear. Hi, Poppy. Look at the size of your hose. Oh,
It just doesn't
that
stop.
was way in there.
No, it's dripping. I think I need medication.
It's not green. You're fine. This one dripped green yesterday.
Yes, my car is finally here from Georgia.
Yeah, Scotty's Jag. We'll do a little thing on Scotty's Jag
Oh yeah.
in a while. All right, so it's there.
Where's the lid?
It's there somewhere. We'll get it. Anyway, I want to check up here, make sure we're not pissing gas on the floor, which would be lovely.
Why would you want to piss gas on the floor?
Well, that would tell me that at least it's frigging, flowing. So I'm going to hook this back up.
It's flowing.
We'll hook this back up. All right. Scotty, get your ass back on the Mustang now.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, my God. Anyway, thank you for your assistance. I'm going to tighten this up. And we're going to do one more experimente.
Yes.
Before I pull that pump off again. This place, this pump, this is going to make me drink. Now, I'm taking that off in a minute, so it's fine. All right, so, hitting the key. Give me a little spritz, Scotty. Squirt for me. Yes, Daddy. Oh, maybe not. Damn it. I did fill the bowl already. I filled the bowl in the cart.
Right.
So, hit it. There you go. Bottle feeder a little bit. It's
Nope.
not pumping.
Nope.
There's no way. It filled the bowl, and that's where it stopped. And yesterday, I undid it at the inlet to the bowl. Nothing. I undid it at the carb. Nothing.
Oh, I watched the video.
Oh, good. Look at you watching the. Look at you doing homework. Shh. Someone's trying to get a raise. Gotta rub it harder though. Wait, what? Get away! No, ew.
Where'd we get this pump from?
Only place that has them. It's a Delphi. Rock had it. Anybody local, they can't even fucking get it even if you give them the part number because they're dumb. The Carters I read about, they don't pump. Well, apparently the Delphis don't either because they're probably made by the same Chinese kid with a different stamp.
Yes.
So I'm gonna pull that off. Pull that off and take it apart and check the diaphragms. So on to the next, because maybe I could take and put this diaphragm that's good
into the factory,
one,
into the factory original,
and then we'll be happy.
Yeah.
Like I talked about that the other day, but I wanted to go through all of our options.
Oh yeah, no. I'm right there with you.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that's probably going to be the best bet. Disassemble this one, rebuild the factory that we know is good.
Yeah, it pumps it just peas.
And go from there.
Yeah, it pumps in peas.
All
right, have fun. Hey, Bernsey.
That's a long rod.
Bernsey works here now. Say hi, Bernsey.
What's up, guys?
Yeah. Oh, Chris over here. He's just loitering.
Supervising.
That's what we call it. You've been doing that for years. It's
You
fine.
work for the U.S. government?
Jesus. All right, so we got the pump off again. I'm gonna go tear this down. I got a feeling the rod's the wrong shape or something. Oh, this one? Out was in and in was out. I didn't tell you yet.
That's
So I flippy-floppied. And then it actually pumped up to the bowl and then it's just like, eh. So anyway, that's where we're at. All right,
Okay.
So getting the carburetor. Not the carburetor, this is the fuel pump. Bernsey's doing the carburetor over there. Oh, did you put your hands up?
What's me?
I don't know. You're used to that. Anyway. So, gonna take apart this pump. We're gonna measure the arm to do all kinds of stuff. So we get the thing. All right. So got the pump apart. Exact, identical diaphragms for the most part.
Sweet.
So,
Oh, yeah.
all right. So here we go. We have the pump all apart. I got the diaphragms out. And old new. They are exactly the same length. So we're going to use these diaphragms in our original one. So I'm going to clean this stuff up real quick and put her together. All right, so this is the diaphragm out of the new pump going into our OE pump. For the vacuum side, it's all good. It's in, it's beautiful, it's handled. I'm happy with it. So I'm putting that together now. And then I will put together our fuel side.
Client?
Bernsey says he has clients. I doubtful.
I got a few.
I know.
Just a few, though. Let's keep
Those are my clients now.
let's keep it.
Anyway, fuel pump side diaphragm is in and hooked. This is our old pump. I'm gonna go put our vacuum side in, and then I'm gonna put everything together. Hip hip hooray, gang. All right. Both diaphragms, check. I'm gonna tighten these up. We're gonna go in here with our lower. Good to go. That baby together. Damn flying. All right, so took the new diaphragms out of here, which the valves, half of them are in backwards, which explains a lot. I haven't even bothered getting in here yet. Doesn't matter. Slamming that together. Got this back to the original locations of the fuel lines. So Bernsey, when you put things back together, you're probably going to have to fuck a little bit. But put that on, then you'll figure it out. This is the out to the carb here, and the barb is the inlet.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
here you go. Have fun.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.